So we want you to meet our friend,
Bison.
Jeremy Bison. Yeah, he's enjoying a meal right now, a little snack, but you know, he wanted to say hello.
Afternoon. Lunch is having his mouth is like
So this is day 2 of the expedition.
up. Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday, everybody. And we are going to the ROM today.
The ROM.
ROM, Royal Ontario Museum. And we'll see what we see. There's supposed to be a special exhibition there.
I think so.
What is it called? The Beast? Something of that nature.
The Beast.
We'll take you along with us. See you soon.
Click.
Okay, so we were lost for a few minutes. Yeah, okay, it was a detour.
Here's a detour, we never lost.
You're right. But we found it. So, we are here. I hope you can see it. And we're going to visit the exhibition of the Extreme Beast. I think that's what it's called. And it closes in a few minutes, and we're here, and it's almost like 3 o'clock, so we're gonna go right away. Any last words?
Yeah, it's a good experience and it's fun.
He didn't try it yet, but he said it's a good experience. So we're just gonna speak in hope. All right, let's go. So we are in the exhibit, and there's some very interesting,
Some weird creatures. Back in the days of patience.
Who is that?
Didn't I see that in Earth?
They were on Earth. I doubt it. But this one probably was. See, this is what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
See some links.
What?
This was well adopted. This lives in Canada, or used to. I think it doesn't. Sure, finish.
Oh, it's a termite thing. Ants.
So what was your favorite exhibit?
Those weird dinosaurs born.
Yeah, the dinosaurs was crazy, huh?
Yeah, I wonder if all those things were exist at the time when man were on.
Yeah, I mean, like, we don't really have a good dynamic of the scale, the sizing of these animals, even the ones that existed like right now.
Yeah,
It still feels like, oh my god, it's too big. Yeah, it's entirely unbelievable. I don't know.
It's really a good experience to see all those things, to know that those things are made by God and all those things are God creation.
Can you imagine? God created all those things and we're just experiencing just a little fragment of what He created and what exists here on this earth.
So many different creatures. You imagine all these creatures was on earth. And it's so amazed to see all those image of those things and those skeletons. It's really so shocking and unbelievable. But
What
all of these are made.
station. So we encourage you to come down to the museum, any museum that is your local museum, and discover something new. I think that's the theme that we've had for a few of these videos. Discover something new today. Experience life in a different way than you have before. And you might find that your life experience is more enriching, more fulfilling, and we believe that the earth shows the glory of God. And when you discover new things, when you go out there and experience life, it proves the existence of God.
That's it.
Alright, so you guys have fun. Thanks for joining.